Hello guys! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create an account on Mailchimp. So let's start! First, go to Google and then search for how to create an account on Mailchimp. It will then direct you to Mailchimp sign up page. And then right here, just scroll down and there you will see sign up Mailchimp. Now to log in, put your email address and then put your username and then create a password. So now we have to confirm our account by simply logging in to your Gmail account. Now you can see right here the email from Mailchimp. Just click on that. And then click on Activate Account. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.